my name is Cal, and we are doing a YouTube channel for bubble bath of trains. This one already got her bubble bath. The dark train already got the bubble bath. This one, the red train, is just getting her his bubble bath. So take the bubble potion right here and blow it on the train. And make it all get wet. Now, we get a squid who takes all the way off the potion. Off the potion, he scrubs all the potion off. So there's no more left. I check to make sure it's dry. I scrub all the potion off of this one. There's some right in the bottom right there. Like that one, it's still wet. So the last car at that train over there, the one that just got hit, the dark train's bath. The last car was super hard because it was so wooden. It was squirmy a little bit. So now that I squirmed my octopus, I put it back on the potion, and then the train just drives out. Now it's time for the last train to get the bubble bath. But make sure the sirens of this little truck doesn't turn on, because then it will outrun my video. Now, I have to turn the sounds off, but I can't find the switch. So I guess they'll just turn on. This is what they might sound like. But, yeah. So it's time for the next train. This front car with the 2 luggage, they need to scrub. We need to take the bubble potion, which is always, I have 3 packets of bubble potion, just in case I run out of bubble potion. But first I have the pink bubble potion instead. I'm using that can first, because I didn't run out of pink first. Get that one all wrapped. It's like a bath for trains. Well, now I just got someone's bath done again. Now let's get the car all wet. Okay. Oop, got some bubble potion on me. No, that's okay. Bubble potion is expensive, and you can only get bubble potion for Valentine's Day. This squid rubs all the wetness off. You ready? Squid it off. Squid, squid, squiddy, squid. Squiddy, squid, squid, squid rubber. Squiddy, squid, squid, rubber, dubber, dubber, squid, squiddy, squiddy, rubbing all the dub out. Squid, squid, dubba, dubba, squid, squid, dubba, dubba, dub, squibba, 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 stop, stomp, 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 splat, splat, splat. Okay, we'll take the potion pack, and lay the squid on it. And that's the bubble baths for today. And yeah, that's the end.